Hello students. Today we will learn some geographical facts in this video. Do you know what is an isthmus? And what is a strait? Let's understand first, what is an isthmus? The isthmus meaning comes from a Greek word that literally meaning is neck. Can you see the picture? Good. There are two landmasses connecting to each other. So, an isthmus is a narrow strip of land that connects two larger landmasses and separates two bodies of water. It's a narrow piece of land, with water on each side, that joins two larger pieces of land. The type of isthmus built up with sand connecting to land masses is called a tombolo. The famous isthmus in India is Adams Bridge, also known as Rama's Bridge or Rama Setu. Let's see two examples of isthmus. Isthmus of Panama and Isthmus of Suez. As you can see above the picture, Isthmus of Panama connects North and South America. And Isthmus of Suez connects Asia and South Africa. Now, we will discuss what is a strait. As you can see above the picture, there are two landmasses present here too. But it's different from isthmus. Let's see how it's different. A strait is a narrow, naturally formed waterway that connects two larger bodies of water, such as seas, oceans, or large lakes. It typically lies between two landmasses, like continents or islands. Straits are created by natural geological processes, such as tectonic plate shifts or water overflowing low-lying land. There is another important point we have to remember, that is, man-made waterways that connect bodies of water are called canals, not straits. Few examples of straits are Palk Strait, Strait of Gibraltar, Strait of Malacca, Strait of Hormuz, Strait of Bosporus, and Bering Strait. Let's have a quick glance on isthmus and strait. A strait is a narrow, navigable body of water connecting two larger bodies of water, while an isthmus is a narrow strip of land connecting two larger land masses and separating two bodies of water. In essence, a strait is a water bridge between two larger waters, and an isthmus is a land bridge between two larger land areas. Both are significant geographical features. I hope now you understood clearly the geographical facts and the difference between strait and isthmus. Thanks for watching. If you love to watch more such interesting videos, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Kids Quest Zone. Stay tuned.